So today, we're going to be taking a look at the Hiboy S2 electric scooter, which is Hiboy's entry-level commuter scooter. So in this video, I'm going to go over the assembly process and go in depth on the features, specs, and an overview of the Hiboy app. So now, let's get into it. The S2 comes in your standard scooter shipping box, but it's a little heavy, so make sure to be careful when moving, and if possible, have someone help you to move it. After opening, the scooter was assembled about 85%. All you have to do is remove all the packing foam and zip ties, then attach the handlebars with 4 hex screws, and include it in the box with the necessary tools, and the whole process only took me about 15 to 20 minutes. And even if you aren't very mechanically inclined, you should have no problem putting the scooter together yourself. There is an optional seat that comes as well, and it's super easy to install. All you have to do is attach the seat to the seat post and tighten these 2 bolts. Then insert into the hidden hole in the deck. Fold the seat post, tighten the hex bolt, and voila, now you have a seat to sit on. So the S2 is powered by a 350 watt motor. It has a max speed of about 19 miles an hour. The battery is a lithium ion battery with a 36 volt 7.5 amp hour capacity, which is good for a claimed range of up to 17 miles. The S2 comes with 2 brakes, a rear mechanical disc brake and a front e-brake that uses the front motor to slow down the scooter. The tires are 8.5 honeycomb style tires that are solid and don't have tubes, so you won't have to worry about getting a flat. It has a very simple and clean display design that shows your speed, speed mode, and battery level. There is only one button to control everything, but it's very easy and intuitive. You hold down the button for a couple seconds to turn the scooter on. Click the button once to turn on the lights, click it twice to change the speed mode, and click 3 times to activate the cruise control. There is a Hiboy app that you can use as well, but I'll go over that a little bit later on in the video. But first, we're going to do an overview of some of the basic specifications and measurements of the S2. So the S2 has an overall length of 44 inches. The handlebar height from the ground is 45.5 inches, and the handlebar height from the deck is 39 inches. The deck height from the ground is 6 inches, and the ground clearance is 3.5 inches. Handlebar width is 17 inches, deck length is 24 inches, and the deck width is 6 inches. And the total weight is about 32 pounds. And folding the scooter up is a breeze. All you have to do is unhook the handlebar post, fold, and insert into the metal hook in the rear fender. And because of its compact size, almost anybody can pick it up and load it up in the back of their car with ease. So the last thing I'm going to go over is the app, which is recommended, but it's not required. And the app can be downloaded from either the Apple Store or the Google Play Store. It's a fairly simple app, but it works really well. You connect your scooter via Bluetooth, and you can control the lights, speed mode, cruise control, customize your speed settings, customize your cruise control settings, customize your acceleration, and even lock the scooter, which basically engages the front motor so that the scooter can't be pushed away. It's a pretty straightforward app that's extremely easy to use, and most people figure out in less than 5 minutes. And this is where the scooter succeeds. It's simple, well built, and a high quality scooter that provides great range, cool features, friendly user accessibility, and affordable price. So thank you so much for watching, and have a great one.